Okay, so I'm going to start with sheet 7829, number 1. Okay, so I'm going to use a power rule. 1/3 times 3 is 1. Keep the x. 1/3 minus 3/3 is a negative 2/3. Minus 1/2 times 2 is 2/2, which is 1. Keep the x. 1/2 minus 2/2 is a negative 1/2. Bring down the negative 1. So negative x, and a negative 1 minus 1 is negative 2. And that could be rewritten as this. And that is choice C. Okay, I'm going to number 2. Okay, so first you have to change the form. Okay, I just want to point out that you could have changed this to 2 radical x all to the negative 1, which then would have been 2x to the 1/2 all to the negative 1. The problem is that if you do it that way, it's going to be really hard for you to figure out which of the choices it is. So I'm doing it the other way, because I know that way will work. Okay, if you heard that growling, that was the famous JoJo. Okay, so I'm going to bring down the 1/2, keep the x to the negative 1/2, bring down that negative 1/2, the negative 3/2. Okay, that's not a choice. So we're going to simplify. So we're going to get this for the first one, and we're going to get this for the second. And that's not a choice either, and that's because that could be further simplified. I'll make some room up here. Okay, so you still have this, and the thing that you can change is you can break up this radical like that. So that's if you remember how to simplify radicals. And then we get this. And what did I do here? Okay, and that is choice A. I think in class I may have said that that was E, but it should actually be A. Okay, this is number 3. The easiest way to do this is to change the form. And then remember there's a rule that says keep the base and add the exponents. So you're going to get 2.5, which is the same thing as 5/2. Then you can take the derivative. You'll get that, and that can be simplified to this. And then just thinking about the last problem that we just did, it can simplify to this, and that will simplify to this, which is choice D. And that completes sheet 7829.